what I mean? On the end. Yeah, don't max the wheel out. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah. Fucking man.
It is burning. Just slow. It's gonna burn that whole tread off. Go ahead, go. Don't swerve into me.
This is what you call weird science right here. We are trying to use the jack to do something. Jack
Decompress the fucking.
is it normally supposed to do?
Suspension?
To decompress the suspension.
Not even the suspension. It's fucking head.
It's moving a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, but it's like it's moving, like it's going back, and it's not like it don't look like it's going
Down?
Yeah.
I want it to go down.
Hold on. If I help you push, would it be more?
Yeah.
He's gonna make it. We took the whole shock off. It was mostly the shock that was dead.
It moved. For sure.
This is gonna be a fucking miracle, but I'm gonna try to fix this.
Yep.
We took it off and smashed it against the curb with a sledgehammer. Straighten it out, put it back together. And it's still touching the tread, and I couldn't bolt the shock back in, but it's fucking sitting there.
I got it to that. I got it to that. Where it's still pressing in on the tire, but it might not pop. The strut mount is way out of whack. But might make it. Okay. Whenever you're ready. I know it's gonna make a noise. It's gonna rub. Yo. Okay, socket. Does it feel like it'll crawl? Does it feel like it'll crawl home? Yeah, I bet. Because there's nothing attached to it. Oh, it's a fucking Taurus. IRS. Oh, it looks like it says IRS. That's fucking awesome. Yeah. Pull over there. What? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead, back right up to my car. Back up to my car. If it'll make it, or just go forward. Watch out, you're gonna hit the curb. You're gonna hit the curb. You're right on it. Yeah. So you're gonna have to roll this window down. You're on the curb. Yeah, there you go. Back in. Where's it dripping? Oh, just whoa, huh? It's dripping a lot. It's your exhaust now. No, it's just water in your exhaust.
Oh, so we're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh man, I was freaking out.
Yeah, you're good.
It's on that side too.
Yeah, it's both. It's dripping out the muffler.
Oh, so we're good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm like, yo.
Nah, you're good.
I'm like, yo, unemployment line?
Nah, you're good.
Definitely running way better than yesterday. Look at this.
I bet. That's from the shock.
Oh yeah.
I think it might crawl.
Huh?
It might crawl home.
Bro?
Yeah, slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
So-
in front of me.
I'll follow you. Which way we gotta go? Back that way.
Same place.
Yeah. So
I'm gonna do first, but I'm gonna
don't make any real hard turns.
Huh?
Only make like 90-degree turns. You can't go more than that. Because it'll fucking, one, it'll throw the shock out.
Throw the shock out.
Yeah, it might. Because it's fucking bumping.
Best we could do.
Hey, I got it to that. It's still pressing in. Tire might not pop. Strut is way out there. But I make it.
We shall see, to be continued.
You know what I mean? On the
Yeah.
end. Yeah, don't max the wheel out. This is gonna be fun.
It's turning. It ain't rubbing. Yo, I am a miracle worker. Constantly rubbing. It's his tire. It stops once in a while. People get mad frustrated, been fucking going around us. Fucking mad cops. Fuck. Whoop whoop. Perfect. It is burning. Just slow. It's gonna burn that whole tread off. Go ahead, go. Don't swerve into me. Oh yeah, go ahead.
We made it to the look. We at the shop, bro. We made it to the shop, bro. We're at the shop, bro. What was the problem? There's no what? Tell them everything. It was
the shock was bent so bad that the tire was just rubbing on everything in there.
the tire is basically loose. It's not bolted to anything. It's just
style hammered.
yes.
Straight on a curve.
It's basically just stabled in place. It's not nothing holding it tight in place at all.
Oh, the fucking shock is just literally sitting up in there. It's not
Yeah,
bolted.
it's not bolted to anything.
Yeah, no.
Right. We made it though.
Fucking naked.
We made it though, and when it's all fixed up, we'll be back, yo. We fucking made it. God was with us. We here.
I'm like, yo, unemployment line?